In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone or iPad keyboard lag. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when an iPhone or iPad keyboard lags, stutters, or takes a second to catch up with your typing, it means the system's local dictionary cache is hitting a passing loop, or the predictive text engine is desynced from the operating system kernel. So what you want to do is flush the keyboard dictionary cache. We're going to go over to our settings application, then scroll down, navigate to general. Then once you're here, go ahead and scroll down again, and you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone as one of the options. Then once you're in here, tap reset. Now, when you go to reset, you're going to see a lot of options, but reset your keyboard dictionary, which is going to be the fourth option down. And then you just have to enter your device passcode and confirm the wipe. Now, this process is completely safe. It's not going to touch your photos, apps, or personal data. It just simply flushes the hidden text prediction cache back to clean out of the box factory speeds. And then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.